Oh my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction occurs in the StormX. What's the high price, what's the current price, and what's going at this time in StormX. In this video I will show you. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's start the video. As you can see here, the live price prediction, the live price change occur in the StormX in the last one day. As you can see here, that is the last one day price prediction, the change occur in the StormX. As you can see here, they are loading. So if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe channel. As you can see here friends, the last one day price change is about positive 0.508% change occur in the Storm, and the last one day absolutely good change occur in the StormX, and the high price of StormX is about $0.089906 is the high price of Storm in the last one day friends. So friends, absolutely good change occur. The price is also good and the changes is also positive and very good change occur in the StormX in the last one day. Friends, if we look the chart analysis of the StormX, so absolutely a high explosion occurred in the StormX in the previous last one day. And if we look the current status of the StormX, so currently they are also in the explosion mood. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's the change goes, and the last 1 hour what's the change occur in the StormX in the this time. So friends, if we look the average change occur in the StormX in the last 1 hour, so the change as positive 1.58% change, and the high price of the StormX is about $0.08466 is the high price of StormX. Absolutely, they will happy my heart at this time, because there is absolutely a good change occur. What's your opinion? What's your impression about this change? Please share your impression in the comment box. As you can see here, it's a surprise for all StormX holders. Now currently at this time they also take a high explosion. So if you are a holder of Storm, so please hold your coin with the last of this month, because as you know at this time they explode. So the future there's the high explosion of the StormX coming soon. So that is why my suggestion for all of you to please hold your Storm coin with the last of this month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.